Silicon Valley has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Moore County and central North Carolina, northeastern Richmond County and central North Carolina, northwestern Hope County and central North Carolina until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hoffman, or 12 miles northeast of Rockingham, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Southern Pines, Pinehurst, Aberdeen, Hoffman, Whispering Pines, Forest Fire, Taylortown, and Sandy Hill Land. This includes Interstate 73 between mile markers 29 and 32. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Richmond, North Carolina,